In order to reduce the complications that arise when multiple devices are on the same Zoom call in the same physical space, we are adding in additional sound systems which will improve the audio quality and reduce feedback. The Logitech Rally Plus sound system comes with 2 speakers, 2 microphone pods, a table hub, a display hub, and a whole lot of cables to connect them all together. Here is a diagram of how all of the components are wired together, which will either help you understand how the system works, or melt your brain. But don't worry, everything should already be wired in your classroom, so that all you need to do is position the components around the room and connect your computer. Use of the classroom camera is not required with this setup, but if you wish to use it, place the camera so that it captures what you would like the students at home to see. Spread the mic pods out onto unused desks to help pick up the voices of the students in the room. Be careful with the cabling. More cables means more tripping hazards. Finally, orient the speakers so that the students in person can hear. Next, find the USB cable coming out of the table hub and plug that into your computer. In your Zoom meeting, make sure that the selected audio input and output are set to echo canceling speakerphone. This will tell Zoom to use the pod mics as the audio source and the speakers as the audio output. With this system, all of the students in person can join in on the Zoom meeting with the students at home without having to connect to audio. The mic pods around the room will pick up their voices, and the speakers will play back the students speaking from home. This eliminates the pesky feedback without all of the coordinated efforts to mute and unmute devices in the room. So, as the students in the room join the Zoom meeting, make sure to tell them to press cancel when they are asked if they want to join with audio. At the risk of overwhelming you, there is an alternate setup that you can use if you would prefer that the students in the classroom not be on their devices. Keep the mic pods in place around the room, but plug your computer into the projection system instead. You can project your Zoom meeting so that the students in class can see a gallery view of the students at home. You can position the classroom camera so that the students at home can see the students in class. And the audio can either come out of the classroom sound system or the Logitech Rally speakers, depending on your preference and Zoom settings. The remote for the Logitech Rally system looks different, but has the same functions, with the addition of volume controls and a microphone mute button. It is best to familiarize yourself with the equipment before the need to use it, to work out any technical issues. We suggest pairing with a colleague to test out the different setups that you might use in your classroom. As always, the technology department is here to help you incorporate this equipment into your teaching environment. If you are experiencing technical difficulties, please contact user support. For questions or ideas on how to use the cameras or sound systems in your classroom, reach out to your dedicated ITS.